We are walking through the steps to install a Apollo 76F-HCA threaded ball valve onto a piece of pipe. This video was created to be used in conjunction with the written IOM installation guide. Before getting started, make sure you have all the required tools and components ready. This includes your stainless steel valve, appropriate pipe, sealing materials, and standard installation tools. This valve is part of the 76F stainless steel series and has been modified to include a hose cap feature designed to support maintenance, drainage, and system access. Before installation, it is important to remember that ball valves are designed as on-off devices. This valve operates through a 90-degree rotation of the stem. This valve should be used either fully open or fully closed. Clockwise rotation closes the valve. Counterclockwise rotation opens the valve. It is not intended for throttling. The handle shows the proper direction for the open and closed positions. Leaving a ball valve partially open can create wear or damage over time and may affect performance. Apollo ball valves are shipped in the open position to help protect the ball surface. The hose cap is an important operating feature of the 76F-HCA. To remove the hose cap, simply unscrew it. Inside the cap, you'll see the EPDM gasket. The stainless steel chain keeps the cap attached to the valve, which helps prevent it from being misplaced during service. After flushing, draining, or maintenance is complete, thread the cap back onto the valve and snug it down finger-tight. Once properly seated, the hose cap is designed to help hold pressure. If someone accidentally bumps the handle and the valve opens, the cap can help prevent leakage or pressure loss. Before installing the valve, the first thing to do is inspect both the piping system and the valve itself. Check to make sure it has been properly flushed and cleared of construction or fabrication debris. If you notice a scratched, dented, or damaged ball, do not install the valve. The valve should also be checked for proper product identification. The tag and body markings provide important information about the valve, including material, rating, and product details. Now that the valve has been inspected, we can move into the threaded end installation. For tapered threaded connections, apply pipe sealant compound or PTFE tape to the male tapered threads only. Do not apply sealant to the female threads inside the valve. Do not use pipe lubricant and pipe tape at the same time. If excess compound gets pushed into the valve body, it can interfere with proper shutoff. If using PTFE tape, wrap the male threads evenly and in the proper direction so the tape stays in place as the valve is threaded on. Once the threads are prepared, line the valve up with the pipe and start threading it by hand. This helps make sure the connection is properly aligned and not cross-threaded. If it does not start smoothly, stop and realign the valve before continuing. Once the valve is hand-tight, use the proper 2-wrench method to complete the connection. Place one wrench on the pipe and the other wrench on the valve end closest to the joint being tightened. The wrench should be placed on the same side of the valve as the connection being made. Do not tighten from the opposite side of the valve body, because that can transmit torque through the valve body joint. When possible, use a smooth jaw wrench to avoid scarring the valve. For straight thread applications, position the bonded seal on the male thread shoulder before assembling the connection. Make sure the seal is seated correctly and is not damaged. Hand tighten the connection until the bonded seal contacts the mating surface. Then apply the proper additional tightening torque to compress the seal and complete the joint. For complete instructions, head to our website for the installation, operation, and maintenance documentation.